someone else said, what info are you covering at your events? The beginning of the year, we used to start this event calendar. We've all been coached to make a marketing calendar and just stick to it. And then by the time the event would come, the content felt stale. So I don't do it that way anymore. We have X amount of events we have to host, and then we pick the topic that's most relevant the month ahead of time and stick with that. So most recently, it was the NAR settlement. Before that, it was on branding. Every realtor wants to know about branding and social media. Everyone's overwhelmed by it. Everyone's intimidated by it. There are tons of people in your market who will come speak at your events for free. You don't have to be a professional speaker and make yourself the expert or anything like that. You can find someone to come speak at your event for free. Invite an appraiser to come in. Realtors love to ask appraisers questions. It's the easiest thing. In the in-between, if we're not doing an in-person event, or if I have something where I'm like, I feel like we have to get this messaging out, but I don't know if it's going to hit, like appraisal gap strategy. I already know 50 realtors aren't showing up for that one. We do it virtually. And then any person in our thing is going to get a recording of the event I hosted that just says, hey, in case you missed it, here's my appraisal gap strategy. By the way, that list of people is 709 realtors.